Heading: Independent and dependent sources. Heading: Independent sources. First point. Independent sources are electrical sources whose value does not depend on any other circuit variable. Second point. They provide fixed voltage or current. Third point. They are used as primary energy sources in circuits. Heading: Independent voltage source. First point. An independent voltage source maintains constant voltage irrespective of load current. Second point. Current changes depending on circuit resistance. Side heading: Examples. First point. Batteries. Second point. DC generators. Third point. Power supplies. Heading: Independent current source. First point. An independent current source maintains constant current irrespective of load voltage. Second point. Voltage across it varies with load. Side heading: Examples. First point. Current regulators. Second point. Electronic current sources. Heading: Dependent controlled sources. First point. Dependent sources are sources whose output depends on another voltage or current in the circuit. Second point. They are used in amplifiers and electronic circuits. Third point. They are represented using diamond-shaped symbols. Heading: Voltage-controlled voltage source, VCVS. First point. Output voltage depends on another voltage in the circuit. Second point. V out, alpha symbol V in. Side heading: Applications. First point. Amplifiers. Second point. Control systems. Heading: Current-controlled voltage source, CCVS. First point. Output voltage depends on a controlling current. Second point. Vout is proportional to ion. Side heading: Applications. First point. Transistor-based circuits. Heading: Voltage-controlled current source, VCS. First point. Output current depends on a controlling voltage. Second point. I out, alpha symbol V in. Side heading: Applications. First point. Operational amplifiers. Second point. Signal processing circuits. Heading: Current-controlled current source, CCS. First point. Output current depends on another current in the circuit. Second point. I out, alpha symbol I in. Side heading: Applications. First point. Transistor current amplification. Second point. Electronic switching circuits.